Day 6, and he start off like that.
Yeah, the first time she hear that in her life.
Yeah.
She don't see Ratchet.
Fuck him that nigga did.
I ain't seen that bad.
See? Day 6, and he start off like that. He start that shit.
Bitch.
That nigga start off that shit like that.
Hello?
You got light on you, Mike?
Do I?
Uh-oh. I ain't got mine.
Cap for no Capricorns.
Bruh, I'm feeling like fat they built that shit right there.
Yeah, is there a dispenser right here?
Probably.
Yep.
Why?
I see. That's the thing. Like, you know, I have no idea what.
I low-key...
I like the view.
Thank you. It was like...
That's all I'm doing. Show you already.
Good privacy.
It's taking a lot of weight.
What was the
It
view?
make you feel like you
ain't
can...
no
ain't no-
laundromat back in the
Yeah,
day?
but it's still like... Imagine opening your blind
Oh, and just looking at
and
it.
it feel like you in jail.
Damn low, you can just be smoking on
Yeah, for real.
We used to go by me and Tristan boy. We used to trade this house. This apartment used to be lit. When Hershey used to live across the street.
God damn. I did not know that.
Yeah, but we used to get on the top of the trash can, get on. Nigga, you was with us. You wasn't with us that time we was on the roof.
I was at Shea House.
That was Tyler.
I was at Shea House. Remember, y'all came and fucked with me at Shea House.
Right.
That's when y'all came down, then y'all went downtown. Nigga, I got a good memory.
You do. Yeah, so like niggas was always fucking shit up.
Give it to me. Now you got me fucking singing that song.
Keep a dumbass on the stairs.
About me. I always singing something. You say anything, I know I got something.
Hey, so yeah, I was finna say like that yeah, you're brand new Jay Sean, you're brand new she want me to go with her. Yeah, so I got smoke with y'all.
Get it out, goddammit.
Thank you. That shit fuck up. So yeah, I got smoke with y'all another time.
Nah, that's all you have to say.
That nigga was talking like Stanley. God damn it, spit it out, my boy. That's a nice ass bike.
For real? That shit is, man.
Hey, it's gonna go missing because he don't lock it. Now I know y'all got a backyard.
Anytime I need to creep on the bike instead of the car.
Exactly. I'm be like, I'm borrowing the bike. I'll bring it back.
Nah, I bought him that shit last month.
Why fuck you last night?
Last month.
Why fuck you didn't buy me one?
You got a car. He does.
Roll ass man, Michael.
So?
Michael.
Damn.
Michael.
What?
Yes, Joshua. That's just so funny being on for me. Nigga, your name is Josh. I'm Mike. We ain't never doing that again.
I think it's Michael. I never call it.
Bro, I just had a conversation back in the day with some people, and I was like, bro, when I first met my homeboys, I said, them niggas used to trip off me. Like, Nick, what's your name? Michael. I'm like, nigga, my name does not have a fucking G in it. Stop putting the G in my fucking name, nigga.
Who?
My name is Michael.
Oh, you got the cookies, boy.
See one?
Nah,
That
hell
shit
no, not from
nasty.
your hand.
And he just came from the bathroom.
That's bad.
Motherfuckers do
Light
not
on
like
in the
them
bathroom.
cookies, bro. I fuck with them
Some
shit.
shit nasty. I'm sorry.
Niggas,
Shit nasty.
All right, Bubba.
No, them cookie is nasty.
Hold Josh down.
This shit good, bro.
Hold his ass down.
I get eat that shit. I get eat that shit.
That nigga ain't even buzzed or nothing.
I look at it. Don't do that.
Don't grab me, nigga.
Yeah, what about here?
No, I ain't gonna whip your ass. I choke you though.
I'd rather you whip my ass. You don't choke me. Don't
If you
choke
choking me like we just sitting here.
Exactly.
Yeah, bitch.
Bitch, you punking me. No, I'd rather you whip my ass. At least I got a chance to fight back. Fuck that.
Come on, man. You say it's pretty. You just gonna go to sleep for a little bit.
Stop throwing shit.
You sound pretty.
That red chicken.
Yeah, that shit been funny, bro. Cause the Eric name been always funny growing up. Xanaric. No, I don't.
Yeah, everybody was butchering that nigga shit.
Yeah, you do.
And I usually don't steal these motherfuckers.
Purpose.
I'm
Listen, bitch, I
the
said-
last person who used to steal. Like I always go, here you go, man. You not stealing.
Yeah, you do. That's why I said, oh, I got my letter. I was like, that's my chapstick. Yeah, generic name, Xanaric.
Yep.
I just call that nigga Zataran.
That nigga name is crazy. Bro, imagine being a child and really have to go.
How the fuck I spell my name?
You know the teacher about to call your name when they go. I ain't gonna do this one right here. You know what? Dixon.
I know them
When they
boys.
say your last name,
Graduation,
Dixon.
they broke that nigga shit down in the syllables, how you see it, the fucking dictionary. How to say that nigga name. I know they
No,
had to.
that's how they do it. It's
Zaneric.
Xanaric.
Exactly.
People say Xanaric.
but it's Zaneric. That bitch got 5 names. Zan, Neric, Rick, Zaneric, Zaneric. Z. 7 names behind.
That shit crazy. Hearing your full name is kind of like, once you get to a certain age. I think, that shit crazy. I call that nigga J. Sean. Without this J. Sean.
Oh,
You know what I'm saying? Like, I just call him J. Sean. He got one of them names where like,
it's just full together.
yeah.
I
But when he said Michael.
That shit sound funny.
It just didn't sound
I don't like that shit.
And when he said Joshua, no, Josh, shit. That's why I started calling Kajal Kitty. I got tired of saying Kajal. When they said Kitty, I was like, you know what?
Fuck saying can jail.
Why the fuck am I ever have to say Kajal again? Kenny. Man, Kenny, where the fuck you at, nigga?
Damn, why the fuck I forget the other nigga name? I'm high.
Merch.
Not DeAndre. I didn't know DeAndre. Khalil. I feel like he had a
See that
nickname.
nigga,
Fat boy.
That's what it was.
he work at Waffle or something?
I think he was up there. He was up there.
Could you still read the Waffle House too?
No.
We can deal it.
I'm not 100% sure.
You don't live together no more?
I think so. But see, I done moved.
Right.
And I just
I know they had moved too.
Yeah, I think they moved to.
I think they moved back together though.
I think so. They had been to the crib one day. They been in my house like a week ago.
How about a week ago? Get the
The
tweak.
nigga was talking about making videos at my crib. And I was like, shit, pull up. You know, I'm with the shit.
You kill it?
Man, I swear last night, this nigga had me rolling, bro. This nigga don't smoke. Nigga don't drink. Got no money.
Cause you got 2 phones.
Two phones Jones.
2
One of
iPhones.
them is out of
Two
storage.
phones Jones.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna say, you pull on another phone?
Yeah, but not a third phone.
No, but I
You got a pink phone?
Hey. Gold.
wait.
Rose gold.
What the fuck is these niggas doing?
I ain't know. I ain't even get to open that shit yet.
You took a picture and all these niggas taking pictures.
I don't know what the hell was going on. I ain't read that shit yet.
You got a
We haven't started talking about some shit the other day,
fucking
Mike.
watch.
No, that's like G-Shock.
We've been mentioning.
I ain't no damn G-Shock, nigga.
Yeah, but it look like a G-Shock. Some motherfucker
What
will
the
try to
fuck you
steal it.
doing?
No, motherfucker, a lot of niggas be like, it's like a G-Shock. I'm like, it's a fucking Apple Watch.
But no, we've been talking about the plan of the day as far as all the shit we wanted to do with podcasts and all that other shit. And what you was mentioning the other day, Josh, as far as the platform, sensory, unsensory, you mentioned that shit. Then just as far as editing and shit like that.
What the fuck is these niggas taking? Chilla is retarded.
You gotta take a picture of your eyes. I don't know what
Exactly,
you
and then that shit just went hell. Then also I see pictures of niggas' braces and shit. Y'all niggas got money.
Yeah. You got money.
Niggas who have braces in their late stages of life have money. Because you're paying for that shit out of your pocket.
Yeah, because we was broke.
You could have no.
That's how that shit
But
for
I'm
me.
saying you have insurance, and insurance pays for more shit as a child than an adult.
Yeah, because I couldn't get them as a kid. I tried to. My mom ain't had the money.
Right.
That's what I say. Like, yeah. Yeah, niggas got money. Because parents ain't have money, so niggas had to.
I'm still fucking broke, alright?
Hey, that nigga's up some shit. Well, I'm
You the
still.
only one, nigga.
But no. But shit. Speaking of Kajal niggas, with the whole editing shit,
I need to call him. See about that shit.
because right now I'm seeing that's what I got to invest in. It's more a bigger phone storage, or like if one of y'all got a camera already or using the camera, depending on how much storage I'm gonna need. I think I'm gonna get
That shit leaking black ooze.
a 150 or 128 gig by phone.
I just tell you that the shit leaking.
They gonna sit down and shit.
No, now the chair got shit on it.
I don't know what that shit on.
I look like straight
I got
mud.
shit on my hand.
Smell it.
With shit on the grill?
No,
And shit. I like mine.
like
Like dirty
oil
ass
or some shit.
I would say it look like oil too, but
Oh,
that's probably rust. What the fuck?
damn, nigga.
Oh, I got a whole fucking fish tank back
Fuck
here.
my day up.
At least you got work clothes on.
That ain't the point.
Yeah, that ain't the point. I wear these. Work, no work.
I hear motherfucker, you ain't work clothes, bitch. That's why it's even a worse
No, these
situation.
ain't my work clothes. These my everydays, buddy. If I wasn't in work, I'd be still dressed like this.
Bitch, I see you for 2 days straight. Motherfucker had me sitting there like, damn, I'm underdressed. This nigga pulled out with the rollie on, the Saucony's on, fresh tee.
Oh, yesterday?
Every day. Until the day he had to
all
work.
That shit been under $100. Warm up like a motherfucker.
Niggas don't know.
You ain't know,
Motherfucker put
bitch?
that shit
Don't
on.
know. Yeah,
Y'all can rock that.
I started being
Whatever
bougie.
y'all rock. Fuck
Yeah, I
that.
started being bougie, man. I'm sorry. But my problem is everything black.
This shit was $32. The shirt, the shorts, and the other shorts that I bought came out to $32.
I think this shirt was like $25. So I'm just walking off the camera.
Yep.
Give it to me, baby.
Buying at a bargain, bitch.
I mean, sometimes I be like, man, fuck it. Fuck it. I
Only
want
time
it.
I spend bread.
I
is-
want it. I got it. I'm gonna buy it. But then I ain't
Okay.
gonna go stupid. I'll never go stupid.
Yeah.
I'll never do.
Right now, I ain't going
impulsive
stupid with nothing.
buy. I done made a couple of impulsive
I don't
buys.
know that shit.
Ain't nothing wrong with a little post by here.
No. Like I bought a quarter of weed for like $150. Stupid.
Oh,
It tastes good as a bitch. But
You're a crackhead.
was it worth it?
That was some dumb shit.
It was worth it though. It was worth it. It was an impulsive buy. I was like, shit, I got some free money. Why not? I didn't do nothing to get that bitch. Why not? You know how long I had that weed? About 3 weeks.
Alright, that's not a dumb
well,
decision.
he scratched the fuck out of that shit.
Yeah, I would too.
Grab it, day?
You know who I smoked with?
Nobody.
Not many people. Maybe one person. Maybe 1 or 2 people. I don't know.
That shit for me, dog.
I'll kill it.
Nigga, Keith said he gonna kill you. You ain't killing that shit, nigga.
Hit it with that.
You do that at the end. We'll give you that at the end.
Man, give him shit. I was at the end when I was fucking with him. That's what that shit. I was like, man, here you go, Nick. Never, no, you kill that shit. It was like that big. I was like, here you go, man.
Larry be on fucking Jupiter.
Now, before, that bitch used to be in a fucking coma. Sound like he about
That
to
nigga,
die.
that nigga be talking about some wild shit, boy.
You still got that video?
I got all the videos.
No, I'm talking about, I think when it was me, you, and Frankie, and we went in the car. We was at the...
Oh, that's when y'all boys used to be drinking, ain't it?
No, this was when you had
Come
come
on.
down and you had the fucking Airbnb with the African dude. And Derek wasn't smoking back then. Derek just had the gas.
And Flip did pull up on
Flip
me.
pulled up on the... Boy, that's Derek. Derek went in that shit. Sounded like he about to lose his lung, chest cavity, ribs, everything. Nigga tried to down the window and all.
Damn. That before I started fucking with the recording. I ain't been putting shit on
I
camera.
don't even know what the fuck. I think we making a snap or something or whatever. But I know that shit. That
For
not
real?
funny because
I remember that night, but I
somebody
don't
drew
remember.
some crazy shit on the window. I think Flip threw some shit on the window or some shit. We went high as a bitch in that car. Was we in my car? I can't even
Probably
tell you.
because I had it
Matter
through
of
for a
fact,
minute.
I had tent back then, so I know we was in my shit.
He pulled up.
No,
He didn't.
no. Maybe a different day.
Ain't you that pull up when I had the African Airbnb? Nigga, you had a Buick at that time.
I don't think he pulled up. Because the
I'm
only time
tripping.
I remember Jay Sean pulled up, we having a session like that is when he had the fucking. You still got that Jeep? The Jeep. And you got to bring somebody else that came with you.
Y'all making up shit. Jaleel?
Yeah.
So when was that time you pulled up when I was in Somerville, when I was standing on the side of the house and the weed was blowing in the car and I think the dude was sitting in the house, that me and you sitting?
That was me and you.
Damn, I know that was him.
Because remember, he came outside and was talking to some lady or some shit. Yeah, that would be you. And just because we got fucking dreads, I know my shit ain't been long back then, but goddamn. My shit probably was his length back then.
I was like, this shit, wasn't it? That was last year.
Nigga, that was like 2 years ago.
2?
Nigga, I had 10 on my car for
Yeah, that
2
shit
years.
was a minute ago.
That was almost like 2.5, almost 3 years ago.
Damn,
Like
boy,
2018.
time flying,
Like
boy.
2018, my guy. I swear.
Yeah, we in 2021.
Like 3 years
God
ago.
damn.
Yeah.
About to be in 2022.
Yeah. Nigga, it's September. once fall here, the year is gone.
Wow, bro. The most expensive time too.
Not for me. I'm not shipping over.
I stay in Hunter. Bro, I gotta get my shit right. When you
Not
just
me.
said some shit, when you say Shay got the show Thursday, I don't get some shit popping in Greenville.
Yeah, my daughter like I said, like the more DJing and shit.
I see her. She DJs
She
a lot.
be dumbing. She be producing too, recording it. Like
I
niggas be
seen
pulling
her.
up her show at her house and shit. She on that shit. I'll give her that. My daughter really was like, I'm going to school for music. And I thought it was like, you know, niggas go to school. My daughter said, I'm going to school. And to do music.
What's up?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to. I gotta be a jack or something. You know, I do multiple things, but I need to know how to do something with affect that shit.
Jack of all trades, master of none. That's the craziest way to go.
Honestly, I didn't mean to blast you. That was the win. No, I did.
You could be the jack or something. When we get pulled over, you take the charge.
Fuck no. I'll never be that guy. I'll never be that jackass. Nigga.
Yeah, no.
I'm
Look,
like,
bitch, we ain't got nothing going on.
listen,
Take no
officer,
charges.
I ain't got nothing. I don't know about nothing else in this car, and that's all I'm gonna say.
Alright. But no, I just right now I just be doing shit because like when Tristan had saying that shit on Instagram, and like whatever you do, just start doing it.
Yeah. I think my problem is I want to do so much.
Yeah, bro.
I don't know where to start. Like, we talking about trucking, gaming. I want to learn how to fucking edit, do all this shit. I'm like,
I say
to focus
3 to
on one thing.
I was online watching some shit a year or two ago, and it was just like breaking that shit down like 3 to 5, 5 to 10 type shit. But like just saying like what kind of accomplishments or goals you
What if
would
like a
have.
thick ass branch just can't fall on this nigga?
I'll be shit because the only thick ass branch
Some big motherfuckers,
It's
some
probably
big
about-
boys.
Bigger than my arm.
Some big
No
boys.
cap.
Them shit, they crazy.
Them shit they think is a bitch.
Well, I'll be like, I ain't going home.
Because I can't
Pick
afford
up
to
his
go to
little
the
hat.
hospital.
This all we got of him left.
We need to my ass. You wouldn't even see me. I just going
But
bury you to the car.
Niggas just start ice stringing this nigga dreads. You ain't gonna need them, but you ain't gonna need them, partner. Where you going now? You ain't gonna need them, bitch.
Bury my shit with me, dog.
Josh gonna be on eBay in 30 minutes.
I'm gonna just take a picture of them shit on
This
his
shit,
feet.
this shit exclusive.
Hey.
This shit exclusive. He's one of a kind. What do you mean one of a kind? You would never
Hey,
know kids
man.
up dead, man.
I need about 250. Them shits gonna go.
250.
Bro, I need about 4.
I'm about to
I'm
say.
gonna start the bet off at 250. They gonna drive it to full.
No.
Oh, you can do it
Yeah.
like that?
That dog.
Oh yeah, because on eBay it go up. I be lowballing niggas on go.
I'll never use eBay, so I don't know how that shit works.
I know
I
how
don't fuck
eBay.
with eBay because my homeboy and my cousin get liquor off eBay.
Yeah, eBay will lick the fuck out of you. Niggas on eBay crazy. Hey, niggas will lick you anywhere though.
No, bro, I mean, shit, just keep the shit on fucking on eBay. And nigga try to tell you, hey, man, let's go on this other site, you know what I'm saying, and do the money part. Be like, hell no, bro.
Well, I didn't. eBay partner with PayPal.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Was they always partner with PayPal?
I don't know.
I don't think so either. So I think back in the day, my homeboy did some shit, and pretty much it was a site or whatever. Brother said some paperwork, all kind of shit, stamped the shit. Shit, look official. But I think we bought a motorcycle or whatever. Sent the bread, nigga.
No motorcycle?
No motorcycle.
Damn.
But the shit was stamped like he went to like somebody
A
else.
notary?
A notary, pretty much, yeah, like that. I'm like, damn.
No bread.
Because it's sites out here where you can
Some
make
shit.
fucking all kind of shit.
That boy been ready to shoot some shit. God damn. Motherfucker saying off that bread and they ain't get no motorcycle? Big shit.
I'm on my way in the car to get out there.
Ain't no finding no way because I ain't even, you don't know who the fuck you talking to.
That nigga just in the room, teary-eyed like a motherfucker. Cursing like a
What
motherfucker.
you talking about?
All right,
Nigga in the room just,
Get liquor on eBay.
man,
Oh,
pistol
how
in
much?
his hand.
I don't know.
Pistol in his hand. If I
Good,
find
that'd
on
be a
any
couple
fucking
bands.
thing.
What's the most y'all ever got lick online for? Be real.
They ain't getting liquor online, bro. I go to trusted sites, man. Like, I don't fucking.
Man, this site
So you
was
never lose
Matter
no money online?
matter of fact, I can't even call this losing money, but fucking with car parts. Car parts, they saying on my shit.
That's the wrong
But
shit.
goddamn, no, they saying on my shit. But But like fucking FedEx, bro. FedEx so fucking trash. If they don't drop that shit in front of your door, right? So I live in a apartment complex. So them boys drop that shit. Them boys drop that shit in the fucking the laundry mat, bro. I go there, man. That shit going like a motherfucker. Like you gotta catch. You gotta be there on the FedEx nigga there, bro. You fucking with them boys.
That's why a lot of them boys now they got that fucking designated drop-off spot now, shit like that. Amazon got the fucking lock
Amazon
boxes.
doing it right, man.
But them boys got the whole lock box. You talking about you go to that
Them
bitch,
boys doing that shit right.
more smart with it. Yeah, FedEx trash. I ain't gonna lie.
FedEx trash like a motherfucker, bro.
But I probably don't lose probably like 200.
I lose like 50 something.
But
I'm
that's
trying to
from-
get a water pump.
Different sites trying to buy clothes.
Shit,
Word, like hoodies and shit.
A nigga finesse me. Doing the money flip shit.
all that money flip shit. Yeah, you should know that one bullshit.
I might be losing 600. Oh my god.
Know that one
I
bullshit.
whoop that
All
boy
that
ass.
money that nigga flashing is the money he done finesse all them
Exactly.
niggas out of.
Oh, that movie the boy come out.
Me.
That motherfucker go. Shit. I think the most I ever lose was probably like a couple $100 online. Damn shit, clothes.
Tell them boy keep that shit.
I talking
there.
about
Keep
real
that-
sites
keep
too.
that
Got
bread
padlock
there.
and everything.
They gonna need to put a down payment on your casket. Keep that shit there. Them boy gonna need a down payment on that casket, that cremation. Word, get that process started. 'Cause it is hot out here for you.
I'm more straight. Double blast that niggas down.
I mean,
Not on purpose. It's the win.
Fucking win. Nigga talking about something, it's the win. You feel me, win? Fuck out of here.
You ain't catching it. It's just the win. I'm just, I'm blowing it. I'm taking it wherever it wants to.
Justin, you feel any way?
Nigga been smart his whole damn life. Start smoking weed. Come on.
When you know me, I've been smoking
Nigga,
weed.
nigga, the number 2 motherfucker in school. Salute Victorian, whatever that shit called.
Salutatorian. Salutatorian. Nigga, I'm still
Talking
smart.
about some goddamn win.
You feel that fucking
no
win.
fucking win.
It's just enough to blow this smoke at you.
No goddamn win.
Listen,
That's his life changing. Yeah, pick up a blunt.
I ain't know.
shit, you wouldn't even know
His
that.
life started changing when he even fucking started smoking that crazy shit. When he was on the paprika, when he was smoking that weed shit, he was like, alright. That nigga started smoking that rocket shit.
Gas.
That nigga started smoking that wet,
Now wait.
that Queen Latifah.
Nigga, what you think he smoked? That motherfucker changed. That motherfucker was smoking cones.
Yeah.
This bitch rolling fingers now. And then you used to criticize me, talking about,
Yeah.
why you rolling them dookie ass blunts?
I used to ask Mike why, bro. And I started smoking
And you know my shit was? What I tell you? I have issues.
weed.
Now look at you. Clearly you have issues.
I'm sitting here like this nigga here going through shit in it.
Nigga be stressing.
I understand, but
This nigga stressing.
I'm talking about you the other day. I'm like, yeah, man. That nigga be showing up with the broads, the
Oh yeah.
wild lost. Like you just look at
Oh.
this broad, and you like, yeah, this bitch lost.
That bitch there. That girl there.
I've been like, man, Mike be bringing them bitches around who can stick 4 fingers in their butt.
No sir.
Bro, that nigga
Hey.
tell you that nigga hell.
I ain't never been on no shit like that. Man, I met that girl a while. That crazy thing is, that girl older than all us.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
should see
man.
the girl something.
Yeah, but
I said, look at that bitch. Like, grandfather clock on that nigga.
that bitch when I've been like 19, 20.
I bet she can draw the fuck out of picture.
Yeah, she a good ass artist. Honestly, I fuck with her because I bought a paint for my sister. And
I see you attracting artsy bitches.
I don't be trying to go nowhere. I just be chilling.
My dog been into the art.
I see.
I'm always checking the record.
We see. Love them moves. No offense. No offense.
Out here.
No, fuck that. You gonna keep on my shit? Keep that in. Keep that in, nigga. Man, I don't give a shit.
Josh don't give a fuck about
Hey,
nothing.
I talking about, you talking about me.
No, I
You
told
talking
everybody.
about, I'm ruthless.
Yeah.
This motherfucker, the king.
Look, man. Look, man, listen, man. They ain't be the first time she hear that in her life.
Yeah.
She don't see Ratchet.
That nigga did.
I ain't saying nothing bad.
No, you're
I
not.
ain't saying nothing bad. If it's
You know how people be feeling these days. I
You
talk
know-
shit 24/7.
It's just because you ratchet don't make you no bad person.
It don't.
You know?
But it's the stigma that goes with being ratchet.
Man, come on, dog. Man, some of these ratchet bitches goddamn hold you through some shit before a proper bitch. Proper bitch, you got a
Nigga,
problem. She leaving.
The ratchet bitches be the one that be having the corporate nice ass jobs. You'll never know them boy ratchet until you see them boy out in the street somewhere.
Yeah, she steal every now and then from the job. How you think she get that weed money?
Do a little bit of scam.
Yeah.
She got a side hustle. She is doing lashes, wigs, makeup. She doing something on the side.
OnlyFans.
It don't matter. She getting that paper. She making that money. That's all that matters. Them boys. That's one thing about I can say about
I ain't here to
females.
judge you.
Them boy about they check. That's one thing about them boy. Them boy go get that money by whatever means. Niggas. See?
I don't know. It depends on how valuable you are.
I stick my dick in everybody.
It depends on how valuable you are.
No, I'm talking about even if I fuck with you. Even
Right.
if
You
even
might,
I'm
you
saying
might,
even
you
if I
might
fuck
fuck
with
up the
you.
relationship.
Because exactly, you fuck a bitch, we cool as a bitch. Now I
Right.
fuck you, now you. Oh, no, where you at? What? First of all,
Yeah, I don't like
never
being-
like that. And that's why I be like, man, you can't fuck every bitch. And if you do fuck them, you can't fuck them all the same. But me, I have a problem. I fuck everybody the same.
Yeah, I fuck up.
Because I feel like this is my audition.
some
That's
bitches.
your audition.
I may not get another chance.
I mean, with me,
Rock out, ain't it?
it just
Gotta
turned out
rock
to.
out.
Spit in the butt. Spit in the butt.
No, like that shit turned into like. It depends on the vibe. Like, say you try to get some quick ass. I know that sounds fucked up, but say you try to get some quick ass. Boom. You might not fuck that bitch the same way if it's a bitch you been working for a minute.
Yeah.
You know, like if you fuck a bitch on some like.
But also, some of the ones that you've been working for, when you finally get them, you
You
straight
be all fucked up.
crash out. I tell my,
Limp. Or you nut quick.
what happened? Nigga be hurt. I don't know. Just wait.
But see,
Round two.
Round two.
we were just texting or talking about that shit the other day. That's what I was saying. Like, shit, bitches staying over. So I can fuck in the morning.
You're. If I don't get it at nighttime, I'm gonna get it before we go. I'm sorry.
That morning was gonna rock hard.
That's a cheat code.
Yeah.
Unless you really gotta piss, then don't do that. I feel like, I don't know.
That bitch is on your shit, just and you just
Pissing that bitch, bro.
You know what I'm talking about? You might not have no morning. You might not have no morning. You might just be like, hey man, I gotta go to work. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Fuck with you.
Yeah, we can't even
You
do
gotta
that.
go.
We can't even do that. You right.
Motherfucker down there basket weed.
Because some of them boys don't know how to just quickie. Them boys be, bitch, now you don't fuck me up. Now I can't even go to work feeling the same.
Like, oh, where you going at? I ain't come.
I have to go to work. That
Well,
means you have to leave.
since you haven't came, I'm gonna just go ahead and go.
I know about all that. I'll fight one up. You know what I'm saying? I'll fight one up. Goddamn.
Never put these goals before your money.
You know, dumb, I'll fight one up. I'll fight one up. I'll skill one up.
Yeah,
You a
I
good
mean,
man.
you got
You're a
to.
good man.
You got to.
Like,
She already about to have feelings like she got to
I have to go to work.
the old me, that's all I wanted to do. Fuck.
Exactly.
Fuck.
Sometimes I be tired. I
When
mean,
you
like,
really chasing the dream, money, or other shit,
Oh,
you
yeah,
ain't
you
got
ain't
time
worried
to be
about that
fucking
shit.
like that. That shit go down a little bit because you really, especially if you lock in. I think that's what I was talking the other day. Like once you lock in on some shit, that's the focus. Now, like pussy, and that's why I've been saying, pussy just gonna come. Like it just gonna happen. And then at that point, you really,
It
like
gonna
you
come.
said, you fuck all
It gonna
bitches
come
the
once you
same.
got success.
Yeah.
It's gonna come once you got success, bro, and you got and it's like benefits to your success. You seen like the fruits of your labor.
Mm-hmm.
honestly,
And if she see it, you dig what I'm saying, that's when you gonna. She could be like, I ain't gonna. If she's smart, she could be like, I ain't gonna fucking act. I'm gonna act a certain way. You dig what I'm saying?
right?
Cause you know what I'm saying, bitches be feeling like, all I gotta do is look good. You know what I'm saying? As long as I look good, I can stay in there. No,
Like,
you
you gotta have something at
gotta
the
play your
table.
role.
Like,
You gotta play your role. You gotta learn your role. Play that motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Stay on your shit, man. That's how you stay in there.
Yeah.
Motherfucker do that shit. motherfucker do will get them to the dance, and once they get to the dance, try to switch out, try to remix and all. It ain't gonna work like that.
Should have been telling me from the jump. I hate that shit.
Yeah, that's why I used to fuck up with that.
This is all about sex. Like you just want my body.
I'm not saying some. I'm confused.
But that's when you
use me and
want some real shit.
But I'm using you.
That's when you turn into the dude that don't try to fuck the bitch. And see when they try to fuck you.
Yeah.
That's what I've been doing for the last 3 years.
And
I stopped trying to fuck. I stopped trying to fuck bitches.
But in certain situations,
And I just pay for the pussy every now and then. But
Oh, what's your definition of
hey. All
Hold up, I try to figure out what's your
West
definition.
Coast
Because at the end of the day, that
That's
shit
all
come
I'm
with a
saying.
price.
West Coast
man,
was lit.
yeah.
We gotta go
the
back
LA
West
the
Coast.
vibe.
We gotta go back to the
So
vibe.
back to the scratch that, that happens. But like, say you just really living and you focus on your shit. Like, really, example, you've been editing photos, you've been taking photos, taking trips, business trips and shit like that. And you ain't really had time to do those.
Yeah, I
boom.
ain't that type of time.
So you might come across a bitch or two and you let them know, shit, I got a lot of boom. That's how you might get some pussy. And that's how pussy start falling in your lap. And you ain't probably even trying to fuck the bitch. She just now want to fuck you. And you can't say that. She can't say
I ain't gonna
you
catch
just want
you.
me for no sex.
I mug all them boy. I'm sorry. I just be looking. Like, I just be like,
Yeah, I ain't
bro, we
bad.
at the age I'm at and the type we at right now, the generation, all that. Bro, if you look at me and you think I'm fine or whatever, speak. I don't. Why was the man always come in court? Like that shit is weird.
Because that's just how it is.
But that shit is
They
stupid.
not used to rejection. You dig what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You gotta put
The man
yourself
gotta
out there.
The man gotta assert themselves.
Listen, no, hell no. Listen,
You got some women who go out there.
the ones that assert themselves, them the ones I be like, okay, I fuck with you because I ain't had to holler like, cause how I'm seeing it like, okay, you been peeping me this, that, and the third. Like I'm so wrapped up in what I'm doing or work or whatever, I ain't even noticing the vibe and shit you giving me. But if you gonna fuck with me, say something.
Man, Mike trying to be the Mike trying to be the woman in the situation.
No, I ain't trying to be the woman, but I'm saying like how you saying basically like how you wrapped up and shit, and how you said the pussy gonna come.
You
but
ain't
I'm
get
saying-
what he's saying. You trying to just
I
lay
ain't trying to be
back.
no woman.
You ain't get what he's
I
saying.
know, I
You
know.
what I'm saying.
How you saying like I'm supposed
See,
to be the catch?
Yeah.
I won't be the catch. Well, I hear you saying.
you
But
ain't
what I'm
bad.
saying, but what I'm saying is, all that that shit should be able to be both ways. You know what I'm saying? Pretty much. That's what I'm saying.
If you're a high value man,
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like that.
You high
Pretty
value
much.
man.
Like bitch, I shouldn't always have to holler at you. Like if you want,
That bitch
say
ain't
say
feed,
what
but
you
that
want
bitch
to say.
feed.
And I'll be like, yes sir.
if you a high value man, you bringing the
Fuck.
dollars in.
Fuck
Yeah,
off.
facts.
That shit might
Because
break
how
your
I'm
ass.
seeing it, when you looking
That
at
shit
these
might break your
females,
ass.
what makes them boy high
You
value?
might
Besides
they
their look. Half the time it's the looks.
Man, listen, bro. It is the looks, bro.
That's what I'm saying. That
It
shit
is
is
the looks
crazy.
because when they got money, niggas don't give a fuck about your money.